guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. And today we're going to be talking about a fun new feature from Snapchat. Now we've seen Snapchat do cool things with their maps before on holidays. Like on Christmas they'll have candy canes, or Halloween they'll have people dressed up, or they'll change the style of the map to match the holiday, things like that. But this time for Easter 2018, they've taken it to the next level. There's an actual Easter egg hunt within Snapchat maps. It reminds me a lot of what we saw with Pokemon Go. Interesting stuff. Let's hop on my phone and take a look. Okay, so here we are on Snapchat. You might even get a pop-up or a notification that looks like this. It will say, "The great Snapchat egg hunt begins. The hunt is on. Collect as many eggs as you can through April 1st. Just tap a nearby egg on the map to add it to your basket. Remember, play safe, keep an eye on your surroundings, no trespassing, and have fun." So that's sort of an overview of what the egg hunt is. To access it, what we want to do is go to the Snapchat maps, and we can just pinch on the screen to access that. And right away, we'll see some eggs on the map. Let me sort of zoom in to where I'm at. And we'll see more eggs all over the place. And if we zoom in further, we can see in detail where they're located at. Now, if they're not by you, you can tap on them. It says you have to get closer. So I haven't collected any yet because I'm not close enough. Basically, you need to go nearby them. I'm guessing within that yellow circle. And then you'll be able to collect them. And the goal is to collect as many as you can. Snapchat hasn't really said if there's any prizes or rewards or anything like that. But you can see if you zoom out, there's a lot of eggs on here. They're all over the place. And then also, if we look in the top right, there's 3 eggs with a number on those. So the amount that you collect will show right there. Mine is 0 because I haven't gotten any yet. However, if I tap on that, it's going to take me to a leaderboard screen. And right now it looks like none of my friends have gotten any eggs. So there's nobody on my screen right now. In the top right, there's a countdown, so that's 58 hours left. We can also tap on the rules. It says collect as many eggs as you can. Tap a nearby egg to add it to your basket. Check the leaderboard to see how much time is left. So it doesn't really say if there's any rewards or anything like that, or what the point of this game is, but maybe we'll find out afterwards. It'll be interesting to see what happens. I could probably go get this one pretty easily. I'll just skateboard down the street. So there you were able to see it. You need to get within that yellow zone. Then you can tap on the egg. It's going to open up the camera screen and sort of show an animation of something popping out of the egg. Maybe they're different depending on what the egg looks like. There's a lot of different colored eggs on there. But that's pretty interesting. A lot like Pokemon Go, I think, where there's a map and you sort of move around and discover different things. So at this point, we're just waiting to see what happens with it. And there you have it, Snapchat Maps Easter egg hunt. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions or thoughts on this video. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on social media, mobile apps, tech, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.